Your new teeth were delivered today. They look great. How was your overall experience at Smile Now?
I thought it was awesome.
Good.
I think everything from top to bottom, no complaints whatsoever.
Awesome.
Anytime I had an issue, which were few in between, you guys were right on it. Can't say enough.
Perfect. What made the experience so special?
Well, it starts, I think, with Dr. Poppy. When I first came in, there's something about him that I was drawn to. I had visited with a few other doctors, and then right away, my gut told me this guy knows what he's doing. So he won me over right away, and I was only going to do the bottoms because the tops were kind of hanging in there. And then once I got with the whole staff, everybody was super, super friendly and always in and out. Never, the times were always good. I thought that the procedures went very well, a lot better than I expected. I mean, that's when you go in and you have everything done and you're under the anesthesia and everything like that. So yeah, so top to bottom, I think everything. And even working with Nellie on the financial end, she was very helpful.
Good.
So yeah, great
That's
experience.
great. How does your new smile compare to what you had before?
Well, I was losing teeth fast. So I was down to one molar in the bottom. And luckily my face is the type that doesn't show the bottom teeth that much. So I was really hanging in with the tops and they were starting to break. My bite was, from losing the bottom teeth was now not right. And then I got the bottoms out of necessity. And once I did those, all the work on top, which were older root canal done with crowns, were starting to give way. And it was either replace these one implant at a time, but I had such a good experience with the bottom. Let's just do it all.
Good.
And that way it's done. I'm 63 years old and I don't have to worry about dentures. I don't have to worry about any more broken teeth.
Yes.
I don't have to worry about any of that. To me, that's really peace of mind.
Good.
To know that, I'm not going to break another tooth because they were starting to break. It's becoming embarrassing.
Oh.
It really was.
I'm glad you have a permanent and fixed solution there.
I'm so happy to tell people that. I'm never going to have another root canal.
They just look so
It's
natural
like that.
too.
They do.
Yeah.
Nobody really notices.
Good.
It's amazing how people don't, they don't. I have some friends that have dentures, and the reason why I decided to do this is they look really blocky. You have the kind that kind of go on the bottom, they clip on.
The snap-ins?
Yeah, snap-ins.
Yeah.
Some of my teeth
You're
look
like
that.
That's not for me.
Best teeth I've ever had because I never had braces.
There you go.
I had really crooked bottom teeth. Look at those.
And your bite's spot on.
Yeah.
I love that. Do you feel more confident now than before your treatment?
Absolutely.
Okay. Good.
Absolutely. I can smile, and I love to show my smile now.
Yeah,
When I have a
good.
good smile. It's just that when you're hiding teeth,
Yeah.
you never really want to fully let your expression of your smile go. It's always kind of being held back, and I don't have to do that anymore.
You don't have to consciously think about it.
No, I don't.
You just let it go.
And people that are watching this are losing teeth. I know what you're going through. It's really amazing to get to the other side of that. The confidence is amazing.
Yeah. What's the first thing you're excited to eat again?
Well, I've eaten a lot of the good stuff already. I've already done the prime rib, which is my favorite.
Oh my
We
goodness.
talked a little bit earlier, and I'm thinking I haven't bitten into a good apple. So I'll
Yeah.
probably get a nice big red apple and bite into it. I would have to worry about busting teeth when I
Yeah.
ate certain foods, and I don't have to worry about that.
No cutting up things anymore. You can just bite into
I
it
can
now.
just-
Exactly. Would you recommend this treatment to someone thinking about getting implants?
Yes, I would, and I already have.
Okay,
I've talked
good.
to a couple people who are kind of in the same boat. I don't know if they've come in or not, but I told them about my experience here,
Good.
and I'll continue that because I wouldn't do that unless I believed.
Right.
And now that I've been through this process in both the tops and bottoms, I really believe that you guys do great work. I mean, it's been an awesome experience.
Good.
Like I said, from beginning to end.